Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today with 2017 Nissan X Trail, stock number 7324. Strength number 2nd 2014 to 7th 2022. Is a QR25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a CVT automatic transmission. This is a QR25D 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front 17-inch factory magnet tyre. Left hand door mirror, left rear door 2 dents, left rear 17-inch factory magnet tyre, left hand tail light, right hand tail light, right rear 17-inch factory magnet tyre, right front 17-inch factory magnet tyre, front headlight needs polish, right front door card, right front master switch, centre console lid, automatic air shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen sat-nav stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,